Hey everybody, my name is Leah and welcome to my sewing room. I went shopping online and the other day I got my package in the mail and it was from Missouri Star. They had their end of the bolt mystery boxes half off, so I went ahead and got me one and it came in the mail the other day, and today I'm going to open it up and check out what's inside. So let's check it out together. Okay, let's get started. I haven't seen what's in here at all. No peeking. Let's see. Oh, so far, I'm liking the color palette. Let's pull all these out. So that's pretty. Nice flowers. Next is this one. Looks like stripes. This one will be a challenge for me. I don't usually know what to do with stripes, but it's pretty. Ah, more stripes. Anybody likes stripes? Let me know. What do you do with these? Christmas? No? Is it Christmas? Star maps. Oh, okay. Constellations. Cool. It's got a little bit of gold shine to it. Pretty. It's another big piece. This one looks cool. It's like tire tracks. Another big piece. Oh, for all those math people out there. This one's okay. Another big piece. It's a nice winter color. Oh, these are dandelions. Another big pretty piece. Oh, cute. Bunnies. Those are cute. Wood grain. Another big piece. So far, lots of nice big pieces. Into cooking. This is called Seuss Chef. Oh, this must be from Dr. Seuss. Yep. Dr. Seuss. Seuss Chef. Cherries. Another nice piece. This is almost half a yard. Oh, I like this one. Oh, a hedgehog. This one is Forest Feast by Robert Kaufman. I love the colors. More math stuff. Oh, this big piece. Nice black. Oh, seashells. I like that a lot. This is Robert Kaufman. Oceanica. Pretty. A nice light print. Purple pansies. Ooh, winter trees. Oh, they have a little bit of silver sparkle in them. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Pretty. And orange. I like orange. It's my son's favorite color, and I tend to like it as well. This one's Elizabeth Hartman. A nice Christmas print. Poinsettia. Peace on Earth. Poinsettias. Oh, these two look the same, but different colors. So, Elizabeth Hartman from her collection Sunroom. Those are pretty. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, nice. The star maps. That went with the other one that was in here. Oh, that's another winter print. It is Autumn Fields. I guess autumn. Made me think of winter, though, with these greens. Little berries. And there's gold. I don't know if you can see the gold shining. This is probably another one of them star maps. Yep, star maps. Constellations. Nice piece. I thought these were frog eyes at first, but they are more pansies. Green pansies. Be a nice background. Oh, these are pine cones with silver. Snowy Brook, Robert Kaufman. Pretty. Oh, I love pink. I actually have some of this on my own in my stash. This makes me think of like little bowling ball holes. I like this one. Oh, this feels soft and nice. What's this? Prairie Song. This feels a little thinner. What is this? Oh, I don't know if you can see that. They look like little hamsters or guinea pigs. Cute. That's almost a yard. That's 32 inches. Little aliens. That's cute. Robert Kaufman. Carla Daly. Fun. Here's another one. That Prairie Song collection. That looks nice. Now these kind of stripes I know I can use as a binding. I have a lot of stripes that I use for binding, so this will be nice. I actually have a pink and green quilt I'm working on. This might come in handy for that. It's called Flower House by Debbie Beeves. This is cute. I like the butterflies. Joyful Meadows. That's about half a yard. This is pretty. This is called Earth Views. Oh, there's another one of that. That's nice. This is pretty. Again, I like oranges. And it has a nice gold in it. This one's okay. I'm not quite feeling it. I'm gonna have to cut this one up real small. It's called Wishwell. Oh, it's part of the Prairie Song collection. I think I like the other pieces that go with it better. Y'all like this one? Let me know. I think this goes with it, or it's another colorway in it. Prairie Song, just a different colorway. Do love red. Red is my favorite all-time color. This one has a little bit of gold swirls in it. Here's some more aliens, this time with a brown background. I think I prefer the purple. What do you think? Purple or... Let's see if I can find it. Oh yeah, I definitely like the purple. What do you like? Purple or the brown? I guess it's like a gold brown. Cute kitty cat and stars. These would be cute fussy cut. And last but not least is a Halloween print. I do love Halloween fabric. It's got a little bit of glitter shine in it. Nice. Well, there it is. That's everything that was in there. I liked almost everything that was in here, so I would say this was definitely worth the money. Let me go add it up and see how many yards are actually in here. They were all different except these two. I only had one set of duplicates. Pretty good. Okay, so here they all are. There are 41 pieces, and they came to a total of 26 yards. 22 of them were 26 inches or larger, and nothing was smaller than 17 inches. So that's a pretty good deal. And I like most of it. There were only these 4 that I was kind of, I can't decide if I like this or not. So there's definitely 3 that are not really my favorite. But if you like them, leave me a comment below. And for those of you who like them, I'll draw a winner and I'll mail them out to you. This one's 27 inches. 27 inches. This one's 29. So yeah, out of these 3, if this is your type of fabric or if you know what to do with this kind of stripe, let me know in the comment. If you want it, I'll draw a name by the end of next week and ship them out. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks so much.